Imagine a world without volcanoes. Sounds peaceful, right? Think again. Volcanoes aren't just fiery mountains. They're Earth's pressure valves. Without them, pressure builds up beneath the crust. Boom! Massive earthquakes could become the norm. Volcanoes also create fertile soil. No eruptions? Say goodbye to lush forests and thriving crops. Our food supply would take a huge hit. Volcanoes even help regulate the atmosphere. No volcanic gases. Our climate could spiral out of control. The air we breathe might change dramatically. Finally, volcanoes gave us land. Islands like Hawaii wouldn't exist. Our planet would look completely different. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it's not just a destroyer. It's a creator, a balancer, a vital part of Earth's life support system. Pretty shocking, right?